Master JavaScript, the Most Compete JavaScript Course, 2020 Review. Hello, my name is Lily. I am a member of the team SaveWalletCoupons.com. Get the course called Master JavaScript, the Most Compete JavaScript Course, 2020. All you have to do is to visit our site, SaveWalletCoupons.com, and here you will find an article called Master JavaScript, the Most Compete JavaScript Course, 2020 Udemy Coupon. Inside the article you will find two red links. Just click one of them and access the course. Let me show you. Don't worry, you will find the link to the article and to the course in description. Let me tell you the description of the course called Master JavaScript, the Most Compete JavaScript Course, 2020. JavaScript is the leading #1 programming language. If you are tired of wasting your time and money on watching random YouTube videos or taking JavaScript courses that are not complete, simple, or complex, are you struggling to deeply understand how JavaScript really works behind the scenes and how to apply your knowledge to real projects? If the answer to my previous questions is yes, then this is the course that will change all of that. This is what you have been looking for so long. What this course will cover. This is not just a JavaScript course. This course will offer you much more. Modern CSS, HTML, and JavaScript practices. All of the current versions of JavaScript are included. I will take you from being a complete JavaScript beginner to be a professional advanced developer. This course will help you learn how JavaScript works and how to code, solve problems, and debug. Along the course, you will learn how to structure and organize code using common JavaScript patterns, module patterns, and modern architecture. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join me on this awesome journey where I explain everything on the way with great detail and a large number of exercises. This course will help you to understand how and why JavaScript code is working, where to apply your knowledge, and how to be a perfect debugger, to train your eye for mistakes and fix them. Now I want to be clear, this course will contain a lot of coding challenges, projects, and theory lectures. So, you need all of these in order to build real-world projects. This course is different because it's not just about writing code. It's also about how and why code works the way it does. Because it's the perfect mix between theory and practice. Because it focuses not only on small coding examples, but also on real-world projects and use cases. This will empower you to be a capable JavaScript developer so you can write, understand, and debug JavaScript code using all the latest techniques that we will cover. I will review this course, Master JavaScript, the Most Compete JavaScript Course, 2020, with 5 wallets from a max of 5. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I wish you a great day.